Kantahan natin si Karin.
Wow, Ryan!
Happy birthday, Kay! Happy birthday, Kay! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Kay! At dahil tatlong hari ka, tatlong bati para sa'yo. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Yes! Showtime family! Happy birthday to me!
Happy birthday,
Yes,
Kay.
Anong birthday wish mo, Chong Joey?
Hindi si Chong Joey yan! Beta yan!
That's
Si Beta
my
yan!
mom!
Chong
Ang
Joey.
aga. Kaya ako nandito because this day is very special for Kay. I want to greet Kay. Happy birthday. Palakpakan niyo naman si Kay.
Miss Dasha nandito.
Mama! Kahit wala, dito ngayon si Yael and of course my sisters Z
I know,
and Coco.
Kay.
You're here, Mama. I love you.
What's important is you have so much joy in your heart. Marami kang happiness, Kay. Ang daming sumusuporta sa iyo.
Can you sing for me, Mama?
Happy
Diba?
Sa simula, ang baba ng boses ng mama mo.
Happy birthday kay Palakpakan! Birthday!
Birthday ka rin!
Thank you, Showtime
Anong wish ni
family.
Kay? Anong wish ni Kay?
Siyempre, good health, world peace, no? Dumating talaga
Tama.
tayo sa wini-wish natin ng world peace. And siyempre, sana madlang people, supportan yung mga projects ko, especially my podcast, Case Drama sa Spotify. We're coming out with a brand new season. Sa Norte yan. Pumunta kami sa Baguio and La Union. Sana po abangan ninyo. Thank you!
More success, Kay.
Yes, Mark.
Hey,
At my
kayo.
date this week at sana po manood ka for our stage reading of Private Lives sa Eastwood City. Salamat po. I love you, my Showtime family. Abangan nyo. Kakanta ako with my band, KPH. And of course,
Hey.
to my oldest friend dito, DJ MOD. That's our
Yeah.
first ever single. Baby, I love you all.
Congrats, Kay and MOD.
Hey! Again, advance happy birthday, Ate Karel! Ito naman po, madlang people, sa mga nangangarap naman na maging next grand champion. Mag-audition na po sa TNT para sa mga taga-Region 10. Sa Bukidnon, Camiguin, Lanao del Norte, Misamis Occidental at Misamis Oriental. Pwede pong humabol sa auditions. I-upload nyo lang po ang inyong audition piece via online sa ating TNT portal. Let's go!